Everybody, welcome back to my channel IT server. Today I am going to show the how to convert a Word document into PDF. So let's start in the video. Here you can see I have a one Word document. Now I am going to convert it into a PDF. First of all, click into a File tab, then click on Save. If you have a already saved document, you can click on a Save As. This is my not saved document, so I am clicking the Save. Here you can see at the Save As type, there is a Word document. You can change it into a PDF. Now finally, the Word document is successfully converted into a PDF. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find it helpful or enjoy it, please don't forget to like the video and also share it with your friends who might find it useful. And if you are new here, hit that subscribe button